You're listening to the Audio-Technica AT2020 right now. No expensive processing, just recording the raw audio straight into my interface. For years it's been the gold standard for entry-level XLR microphones, but does it still hold up? Let's find out. Out of the box, Audio-Technica keeps it pretty simple. No fancy cases, just the essentials. You have your documentation, a really nice padded pouch, and the stand mount, and of course the microphone itself. Aesthetically, it's a classic. It's all black, looks great on camera, and overall like a professional piece of studio gear. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is the density. It feels really substantial in the hand. The metal grill is rigid, and I don't feel like I'm gonna dent this if I accidentally knock it over. The mic holder also feels really solid and comes in at 156 grams. Under the hood, this is a Cardioid condenser microphone. Cardioid means that it picks up sound in the front and rejects noise from the back, which is perfect for untreated home studios. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and one important note about this microphone is that it's an XLR microphone, which means you can't just plug it directly into your computer. You're going to need an audio interface with 48-volt phantom power to run it. The included mic clip locks in tight and handles the weight of the microphone easily without drooping. Also, the included leather bag is actually sized correctly, and you don't have to unscrew the mount every single time you want to travel. You can leave the hard mount attached, and the entire assembly slides right into the pouch, and it fits perfectly. So is the Audio-Technica AT2020 worth it? Well, if you're starting a podcast, a YouTube channel, or recording vocals on a budget, I'd say yes. It gives you that crisp, detailed condenser sound that dynamic mics just can't match, and it's also built like a tank with really useful accessories. Most importantly, it sounds pretty decent.